guys, it's Caprina and
Brianna,
and today we're going to be fixing well, I said two. I had put up 2 fingers. 3 different slimes. So yeah. So this we're not doing that slime first. We're gonna do this slime first.
We gotta go get the marker.
We don't need the marker. We're just gonna be fixing the texture and stuff.
The texture is horrible.
So yeah, we're gonna take you guys with us so we can
background.
fix this horrible texture.
And we're gonna show you how we fix it. So to the camera right there. So,
okay, guys.
See right here, here's the zinc right here. I'm about to
Hold on. No. They need to see like how it's the sink. So yeah, hold on. Let me put them on this. Hold on.
Okay.
Let's put you guys right here. So yeah,
I put water in it, and it turns out like really stretchy and sticky.
So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that.
Now put it like, don't put a lot of water.
That's what helps it.
Yeah, but don't put a lot of water because then it's gonna start melting and thinking more. That's enough.
Okay.
That's enough water. We don't like. I don't like.
Then it'll feel like you just not making the slime, and it'll go back to being like a new slime. Well, you just gotta keep kneading it, and then it'll feel like you just made the slime after you get done kneading it. So yeah, now we're gonna go back to our filming room, and yeah.
Oh God! So we have the slime done. It's very.
Now the slime is done.
It looks glossy.
And show them the texture. But we forgot to add one more thing, so I'll be right back. I gotta get the last ingredient.
I'm gonna get in the last ingredient. Look at the texture, guys. If you guys want some of the
here is the finishing product of the lotion. So
yes.
Ooh, it made the water makes the slime sticky and it helps out the texture. So,
okay, I can close now.
Okay, so
oh my gosh.
It's okay if it gets on your hands though.
Yeah, the lotion helps. It helps it get soft in there, and it's kind of sticky when you put the lotion in. It's kind of sticky when you put the lotion in. So if you want to make us some more slime,
I'll be back.
Comment down below, make some more slime, and we'll make some more slime. And if you guys want us to make more doll videos, then comment down below. And Barbie videos, comment down below. And game videos, comment down below. That too. So if you want to make some.
Not us, but okay, let me feel it.
So the texture is horrible.
Now, you went from a horrible texture slime to do a better.
It's still kind of rippy.
Yeah, but I tried to do this. So
but we're gonna put some more lotion in it
after the video though. So yeah, we're gonna put that slime right there, and this is the next slime.
The slime, I love the texture. It's so cute.
This is my slime, by the way.
I love to touch this slime because it's like so cute, and it's like
you get to review every slime. So let me review this one.
Okay. Okay.
They can't even see it. Oh. So yeah, now let's go fix the texture to this slime.
And it's rippy right now. So yeah, sorry that I got on a white t-shirt right now because we just got out of school. But it's Friday, so we don't have to go to school tomorrow. And I'm so glad because I don't feel like I have to do a whole test today.
Yes, so this is the slime. Now, let's fix it.
So we're wetting it up. We're not going to wet it up that much, and then we're going to put some lotion.
Guys, this is when it starts getting crazy.
I got the lotion. Here's some lotion.
And then, as I said before, just knead it like you're after you wet it, and it's like feel like you just made it. Y'all look, this the finished product. I'm just playing.
Hey guys, we have some lotion right here.
So after I get done kneading it, I'm going to add the lotion.
Lotion. We put this on our baby dolls so they can get like softer and cuddly and sweetie. Got some on my arm.
Okay.
Need the lotion now.
So guys,
Listen, add the lotion.
Wait. Okay. This is the.
Now I need to add the lotion. That's not the finished products.
Guys, this stuff is so sticky, but she's gonna add the lotion.
Yeah. Okay.
That's not enough.
Okay.
Okay. Now
I
take
never
it back.
get hard.
Take it back. Okay. Now we're gonna mix in the lotion. And lotion, as I said before, the lotion should make your slime
more like softer and like crunchy.
No, it should make your slime stretchy.
And softer.
So go get the other slime. Go get the last slime. So guys, this was the second slime that we fixed.
And here,
this
is called the blue moon. This one,
the gray moon.
Yeah, the gray moon.
I called it the gray moon, but I don't know how it looks now. Hold on, let me show you
like
guys.
The blue moon.
What? I didn't know the moon was blue. Okay, give me it. The moon is white. Guys, comment down below. Do this look like the gray moon?
It looks
comment
like
down below.
dark. It's like, I call it, like, you know, like them little pies, like they call blue moon. Oh yeah, that's it. Ah no!
So let's fix it. Mayday.
Mayday. Okay,
Get this slime.
Look, it's so sticky.
Guys, this is the.
Oh my God.
I think we ruined the blue slime.
Yeah,
we're gonna try to fix the blue slime out of this video, so because we don't want the video to be so long. So let's go ahead and fix this so we can end the video. Go, pick it up.
Brenda, you had me holding it the whole time, and you get my hand sticky.
Oh.
No. Nothing.
Okay. And go ahead and just.
Hey, look. You put this slime down. It's too sticky. It's been all in my hair. Huh?
Yeah.
What's this? What a mess.
Okay, guys, and we
Look
fixed.
at me.
You girl, you not a. Oh. Guys, we're gonna have to go ahead and do our outro. So, guys. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.